Do it, no problem. Do your job. এটা তো হবে যে What's your name, brother? Ali? Ah, good.
We are Muslim. Yes, from Bangladesh.
Brother, what's the name of this food you are making? Name of the food. What's the name of this food? Food. Name.
What you are
Like-
making? The name. What you are the laham? The food name. What is this?
You are cleaning, huh? Clean oil.
Yes.
Yes, good.
Another moya.
Ah, For four. This is four. It's one kind of beans, and they use some spices, and it is very much popular for the Sudanese guys. They usually take it with the bread, which is called here khobuz. Meat is now on the burner, and they have used some oil. Sadiq, give some salt, some chili,
Onion.
and some oil. It will be more tasty. Yes.
Yeah.
So now give some salt inside. Salt.
So
Yes. Salt. Yes.
क्या था English?
Chili.
Chilies.
Chili. More. Katir. Yes.
How was it sounds?
No problem. It's very less for us. Okay, mix it well, very well. Boil oil, yeah, so that it becomes very soft for eating, yeah. Yeah, so that it becomes very soft.
You want to smoke?
Huh?
Yeah, you
Yes.
want to smoke?
Yes.
You want?
Yes. Satta.
Pepper.
Yeah.
Rose. Yes. Sauces. Yes.
Okay. আরেকটা দিবে?
একটা সেপারেট দিতে ভাই একটা সেপারেট দিতে বুঝলে what giving the separate
আচ্ছা আগে করুক সে
ওই এটা কত খায় তাহলে জানা হয়ে গেল বুঝলো না
সিদ্ধ হয়েছে হ্যাঁ শাই